It's unfortunately not our first rodeo on this, probably will not be our last. Our hope is that we can keep the fires as small as this one was, just about 80 acres if I remember correctly. Unfortunately, its impact for a small fire was very large with the number of homes that it took. I believe it's around 64 or 70 homes that were taken down. So hopefully we can keep the acreage down for future fires, but even better, hopefully we can keep them away from communities so that they don't have to have such traumatic effect on the people that have been impacted by this. I know I drive by a hotel here in Clear Lake and I still see the familiar cars that I've seen going from evacuation center to evacuation center and now being placed in a hotel. We're thankful that Senator McGuire hooked us up with the League of Community Foundations. We were able to get $100,000 from them, matching funds as well from the city of Clear Lake of $100,000, and I believe there was an extra $100,000 kind of being put on hold in case we needed it, to make sure that these people had a place to live during the duration of figuring out how to get things back to normal in the area. And as you can see, we have not gotten to that point quite yet, and hope to continue working with the landowner in order to get there. Water has been resolved in the sense that there is access to water that will occur. We got an emergency approval from Water Board, again with the help of our representatives at the state, to make sure that we can get the right infrastructure for the rebuild. That will be happening soon, but at the very least we did get an emergency fix so that water can be provided to the Cache Creek RV Park. They're able to be there probably about a week after the fire occurred. They were able to repopulate. This area obviously needs a little bit more love and a little bit more work in order to get to that point.
Great, thank you.